Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram updates. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply turn off comment for your Instagram story post. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, head over to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and make sure you update your Instagram into the latest version. And having get to your Play Store in Android phone or App Store on your iPhone, next thing you need to do is to click on search icon right here. Then what you need to do is to simply type in Instagram right here and click on search. So it's going to take you right here. So you have to make sure you click on update right here. All right, after you have successfully updated your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your story. Then you have the post you have in your story right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the bottom right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn off commenting. Comments turn off is that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, update, tips and tricks about Instagram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.